RM0 untuk order pertama. Maybe I'm struggling. Okay, I wanna again, I talk about this dekat last video. I really perlukan yang suction dekat cermin tau. Berapa kali dah nak buat video dekat depan cermin atau toilet ke kan. So I perlukan tu yang boleh letak phone macam ni, and then boleh nak record video kan. So yes, and this is our room. So itulah, I tunjuk sikit. This is our room.
What are you doing, baby?
I wanna buy this, baby. Come. I tunjuk sayang.
Oh, what's that? Oh, the suction thing you needed.
Yes, yang ni. Yep. Dia macam boleh melekat juga, and also dia boleh jadi as tripod. So I perlukan benda ni. I wanna buy this. Okay, this one as you guys can see, boleh dapat free shipping tau. Yes, I've been struggling with this problem. So I'm gonna buy this now, and then maybe I ambil yang fast delivery. So I think tomorrow or lusa dah dapat dah. So kalau korang nak tahu, new user yang tak pernah pakai Shopee, and if you guys nak dapatkan this promo, please do check korang punya app. Korang akan dapat RM0 untuk order pertama. No minimum spending and free shipping. Yep, you guys better check your app. I dah beli dah. So senang nak bawa. And next I ada event, so senang lah nak bawa pergi event ke apa kan. Yeah, but as for now, I nak pergi jalan dating dengan my wife. Let's go. Okay. RM0 untuk order yang pertama.
Hello.
Hello. Oh.
Dekat luar hotel je. Tak adalah luar.
Hotel kita depan tu je? Cikgu nak tengok.
Yang pokok-pokok ni lah hotel kita.
Dia rumah, hotel. And I tak tahu ni mall apa, baby.
Something. It's not Four Seasons. It's something lah. Definitely. It's an office, I think.
Yes.
Di dalam ni dia ada restaurant. Yeah. We're drinking like refreshing drinks.
Yeah, we just chilling. I think that maybe nak jalan KL lah, since we are in KL. Nak jalan-jalan kaki. Same. And di KLCC lah kan. You like KLCC so much. And I want to go DJI.
Okay. You can do that.
Tengok.
Jalan.
Tengok je.
Yay.
Window shopping je.
What are you drinking, Sam?
Strawberry lemonade.
And this is yuzu lemonade, I think.
Yuzu lemonade.
So tadi dalam ni ada sorbet, tapi dah cair lah.
What do you guys think about our staycation so far? But I'm really happy with this hotel, honestly.
Boleh bawa lagi ke?
Boleh datang lagi kalau ada rezeki, insyaAllah. So yeah, but best, so far experience dia sangat-sangat best. You guys kena try at least once.
Bilik cantik. And then location wise, very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yep. Malam kita tengok, tak ada plan lah, nanti tak jadi.
Okay.
Malam kita tengok apa dia.
Okay.
Play tourist lah.
Kita play tourist today.
Jalan KLCC.
Okay. Tengok apa sayang?
Tengok sayang.
Okay, jalan KLCC. Yeay. Bukan senang ni nak ajak pergi KL ni.
Ya.
Suami saya ni.
Suami awak ni. Okay, boy.
Boy. Minum dulu. Wifey duty. Makeup. Husband I tengah shooting, saya tengah wifey duty, teman dia. Handsome ya.
So it's early in the morning now. Tak adalah. It's already 1:30. Kita tengah shoot for Glam X Truth. So tadi kita baru habis tangkap gambar. Now we are getting ready for video pula. So ni look yang keempat.
Back to work. Still waiting. Tadi kita sampai dalam pukul 1 lebih tadi, and now it's about 4 o'clock. It's okay, tapi dah rindu dah husband I, sebab dia tengah busy ni depan I.
Hello. So dah habis dah shoot.
Habis dah.
Settle tadi korang tengok kan. Sepatutnya 2 look je, tapi tadi end up jadi 4 ke 5. But okay je.
Okay je.
So done, settle. And now we are going to IOI.
I know you miss IOI, but now this time it's ICT.
I really do.
I miss IOI.
Yes, wish I ni kat sana.
Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Okay. Now you see better.
Yeah, we
Okay.
are going to ICT Shah-Alam.
Why?
Ada lagi satu shoot.
Jewellery.
Jewellery.
Jewellery for
Jewellery.
jewellery shop
Elfie that's lah.
LV UK. So that's why kita pergi ICT.
Yeah.
Now it's about 5:30.
Ya, betul lagi
Yeah,
10 minit.
we have time then we'll show.
Ya, I dah lapar dah sebenarnya.
Alah kesian. Kesian tadi adik menguap-nguap dia sambil ambil gambar. Sial.
Tengah shoot tu ngak-ngak.
Ngantuk dah.
Ya.
Okay, later kita pergi makan.
Later kita pergi makan. Tadi saya borak apa dengan orang?
Tak pangat.
Tak what?
Tak pangat.
Tak pangat.
Sebab malu. Lepas tu kan busy kan semua orang kan. So I pun buat-buat busy lah. Tapi adalah sikit-sikit tunjuk diorang sayang shoot. Ada 2-3 klip. 2 klip kot.
Ya.
Ya sayang.
Okay.
We'll see nanti kat jewellery shop ni. If boleh shoot, tunjuk.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Boy. Hello. So, barang dah sampai. Nak show you guys. Jom lah. Sambil kita jalan-jalan, I tunjuk korang barang I. Tada. So, ni lah nanti. Just unbox sikit lah. So, lepas ni tak ada problem kan. Nak buat konten senang sikit. Nak tangkap gambar, nak take video. Just mount this. Letak phone. Pop. Buat video. Settle. So especially macam nak pergi event. Lagi-lagi kalau macam I nak pergi event kan, macam tak ada orang nak recordkan, I kena record sendiri. Like this lah. Alright, so yang ni nanti I boleh letak phone, mount kat sini, buat video, settle. Thanks so much guys for watching our daily vlog. InsyaAllah more to come. And then make sure korang subscribe and yeah, tengok. Don't forget to check korang punya app. Sebab promo ni untuk first user RM0 untuk order pertama. Again, free shipping, no minimum spending. Okay lah, I pun nak tidur dah. Bye korang. Bye bye.